back, guys, and take a look at this, guys. Okay, wait, guys. Look, we have this Naruto one, and we have this another Naruto, and a ninjas. And this is when I was opening this. I love this too, guys. See this? See? And wanna open this, guys? Look at this. Pipe all of them. I should want to buy this, guys. Okay, wait, guys. Just have to get something. Okay. Y'all see it? Okay. Here, guys. First one. This is the number one, guys. Look, guys. Look. It's a ninja. Let's build this. Okay. Wait. Guys, I can build this. I can build this, guys. Just wait, guys. But I will reveal how I built this. Here. Here. First, number one, guys. What's the other one? Oh, this is the other one. This is the feet. Okay, guys. That was a close one, guys. Look at the torso, guys. Look at the torso and the head. That's very good. Wait, guys. And you know this, maybe this baby's too hard. Oh, wait. Ouch. Ouch. Wait. Okay, guys. Look, I opened it. Wait. See? The other one. We have lots of them. And they can stay right now, guys. Wait, guys. I am just fixing something. Wait. Okay, guys. Wait. It's too hard, guys. Okay. See this, guys. Oh, this is so hard, guys. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I did just do that. But the hands are too hard, guys. Wait a minute. Oh my god. Wait, guys. It's too hard, guys. Just wait. I will actually fix this. I'm sorry, guys. Wait. I just have to stop a little bit, guys. Okay? Okay, guys, I'm back. Look at this. I just fixed this one. Okay? And it's time for the head. Wait a minute. That's so hard, guys. And that's done, guys. Okay. Look, guys. This is the helmet. And look at the sword. And ito kasi Lego, guys. This is Lego. And this is all the others. what y'all want. Comment if y'all want to choose. And if someone likes, I will choose something. Just kidding, guys. I'm so very sorry. Okay, the next one is gonna be this. Are y'all ready for it? This. Oh, sorry, guys. This one look like this. This is from over here. See it, guys? I get this one over in this. Okay. Naruto. This is a Naruto, guys. Ah. Still hard to open it. Oh. Gratefully, I break it. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Comment if who is this. Comment if who is this anime. I'm sorry this because I don't know what is this one. What is this anime? Okay, guys. Ah! I'm sorry, guys. I am just scared. I'm sorry, guys. I just saw a rat. I just saw a rat in my house, guys. Just kidding, guys. I'm so very sorry. Can you guys forgive me? I just see a rat. But let's continue. See this? Wait. Why the feet looks like this? Look like, why the feet is this? Why it looks like this? What? Comment below if what kind of feet is this. Are they all the same? Maybe they're all not the same. Okay. Let's open this, guys. Wait. Okay. Let's open it, guys. Look at the plastic. Oh my god, oh my god, oh. Look at this. See this, guys? This is a masterpiece. Oh, gratefully it breaks. This is easy, but these ninjas are hard. You just have to break their hands. That. But let's go begin. Look at this. Comment if who is this. It looks like Uchiha. Does it Uchiha? And why is... Oh. Oh. I know this. I'm sorry, guys. That is just action sound. Ah, the feet is too hard, guys. But comment below if who is. Just wait. I'm just gonna fix the camera, guys. Okay. Gonna do it. The leg is just too hard. Hopefully we just made it. Oh my god, you got the feet, guys. There we go. And let's put it in this guy's feet. Oh look, this looks like this. Okay. Look. See? Oops. I just push it. But never mind, guys. Sorry, guys. Okay. Okay, let's fix the feet. The arms. The arms. And we don't need to forget. We need this. Look. Wow. This looks so nice. Have you seen this, guys? It looks cool. I like this, guys. Comment if you like it too. Oh, wait a minute. Is this cool, guys? Maybe comment if this is the right. Is this right, guys? This is how he holds. Comment below. Okay, guys, it's done. Like we just made. Like this, see? But I like this too. You can actually do this to him. Just like him. Like ching. That's what I do. But never mind, guys, sorry. You know this, guys. Cause I'm gonna make something movie about these toys. You will be ready, guys, because I will make something cool about this picture. Okay, guys, I think we are back again and choose something. And hopefully, before that, look at this, guys. We have the ninjas. The ninjas. There are 4 ninjas. Okay, look. 4 ninjas. Okay, we are gonna be next. Where's okay. Have you seen this, guys? That is just my toy car over there. And let's begin, guys. I will put over here. Comment if what y'all want. Who will start? Do we start in this Naruto? Or we start on this ninja? Or we start on this ninja 3? Just kidding. Never mind. Okay, guys. Let's start. Like this, guys. I think. Okay, I will just choose. Let's. Okay, wait, guys. Okay. This, guys. What if you open this, guys? It looks like a chocolate, but inside is just a toy Lego. You see this? Look, it's a red ninja. It's quite nice. It's nice. Looking pretty nice. But let's begin the hands because the hands is quite hard. Wait. Sorry, guys. Wait. The gloves won't go. Oh. Look, it's a red ninja. It's a red ninja, guys. Look. It's a red ninja. I will make this little guy. Wait a minute, guys. Why he looks like this? His eyebrows can only see. Is this an assassin? Comment below if this is an assassin. Okay. Guys, choose one. Wait a minute. Why the feet is 3? See? Why the feet is 3? What in the world is this feet? Why it's 3? This is supposed to be only 2. Why is 3? And why there's 3 hands? That's impossible. Sorry, guys. This is just a sound. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. That looks still good. Okay. That's gonna be nice. Okay, guys. I'm sorry, this is just a song. Hello, guys. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. I just say I just say prefer. I'm sorry, guys. Just never mind. Let's look this again. Okay. Wait. It's hard to make a channel. Maybe it's just an assassin. Okay, guys. Oh! Look at that hands, guys. It's fixed, and we need the other hand. Okay, guys. Ugh. Guys. And ta-da! It's fixed, guys. See this? And look, she had a black sword. She's a ninja, but it's red. Maybe the others are blue and green, and or like something what. And it's ninja go. Comment, guys. Here, who wanted something? Look, guys, did I build? Wahaha! Is a field building with this. A field, not a field. That's it, guys. Okay, let's begin with the ninja. Because the ninja is hard. Maybe this, I know this. This is a black ninja again. I swear, guys, look, it's a red ninja again. That is a red ninja again, guys. See this, guys? Okay, guys, look at this. We're gonna begin of this. Oh my god. The pieces. Okay, wait, guys. Look at this bus. Wait. Why the hands are three again? I buy it. Do I reveal my face, guys? Say it, because I don't want to reveal my face, guys. But I will reveal my face. Oh my god. I'm sorry. Oh, look. And the other feet. Oh my god. Oh look, guys, the feet is finished, and let's make the body. Okay. And the hands is too hard, guys. Okay, guys. Wait. Oh. Wait, guys. Oh. I'm sorry, guys. Look at this. This small little hand. And let's fix it. This is the torso. Guys, comment. Look, guys, just comment. It looks like a dummy 13. But I don't have a dummy 13. Wait, I'm sorry guys. I have a dummy 13. Ah. Okay, and the other one. We got to fix the other hands, guys. Oh my god. Wait, guys. This is a lot something. Oh my god. Look, guys. I just finished the one. And guess who is the character? Look, we have to guess the character, guys. Easter. But let's fix it. We're almost done. Done! Look at this, guys. And a black sword again, guys. Maybe it's kidding, guys. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just kidding. Okay, guys. And okay, guys, look at this. See? And guess who's the character? We'll guess it. Oh! Oh. 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 Okay, guys, look at this. And I'm gonna reveal it, guys. Wait, look at the. Oh my god, guys, look at the axe. This is the great one. I very love this. Oh wait. Let's begin. And see, guys, it's cool. Let's go to it. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Look at the axe. It's like from Minecraft. See this, guys? It's cool. I like the axe. Have you seen that, guys? A minute. Wait. Look at the face. Who is this, guys? Who is this, guys? Okay, guys. And oh! Gosh. Okay, guys, wait. Look, it's a different one. It's a white feet. See it, guys? And let's put it to this guy. Wait, wait a minute. It looks like kind. Wait, look, guys. Is this the boss of this guy? This man. This anime. Maybe this anime's boss is this, guys. See this, guys? Hey, guys. And then the hands are easy. Wait a minute. Wait, guys. Yes, me. Okay, guys. And wait a minute, guys. I'm sorry. Bye. Just that's alright, guys. Let's just begin our toys, guys. Ouch! That hurt my hand. See it, guys? My god. Hear that, guys? It's like that's a meme from the broken Lego. That a Lego pieces that is broken. And take a look at this, guys. It's done. And you get to guys. Thanks for y'all. Wait, guys. This guy cannot stand, but thanks for y'all watching. See this, guys? I'm sorry, guys. The video is still not ending, but here, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at how we built. It looks nice. Do you like it? Do you like it? Wait, guys. This is just gonna. Why it doesn't stand? See it, guys? Why they're all not standing? I will stand them all. Okay, guys. This is gonna be okay, guys. Wait, guys. Look at this, guys. And thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video, guys. Wait, this other guy's silly, guys, but I'm sorry, guys. And thanks for watching, guys. Make sure like and subscribe.